swing like monkeys. Let's go to the zoo and swing like.
Hey buddy, what's wrong over there? You helping dad in cleaning the house? Are you? Huh? Hey Anthony, what happened over there? Huh? Are you alright? Hey buddy,
Waddle like penguins.
what are you doing with Hoover?
Go to the zoo.
You try helping daddy cleaning the house?
Penguins do.
Huh?
Let's go
Come on, stand up buddy.
and waddle like the
Hey,
penguins do.
what daddy going to do? Gonna switch off. What are you gonna do now? Take it and clean the house. Hey. Where are you going? You cleaning? Hey, what are you doing? You should take the other part. Yes, that one. Take it. Oh, you're such amazing boy. Well done, well done. Yeah. Tell dad why you love this Hoover. Why you like this, man? Okay, say goodbye to daddy. Bye bye, daddy.